Hey there YouTube, Adam here, bringing you guys 10 packs of Cosmo Blizzard open. I did get 25 packs, but I opened 5 already, just because I couldn't help myself, and I pulled an Abyss straight, and these are all from blisters, right here. But yeah, I'm going to get started with the opening. I will upload the second half of 10 packs, if this video gets to 10 likes, so make sure to like if you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. Ooh, a number 53 Hard Earth. Cool. Ultra rare. It's just a rare in that one. Ooh, a Lightning Chidori Ultra Rare. Cool. 2 Ultras. By the way, I got these off eBay. I'll have the link to the eBay in the description if you guys want to check out the seller. Really cool guy. Ooh, an ultimate rare Lightning Chidori. Sweet. Liking these pulls. 5 packs left. Just a rare. Crimson Blade, rare, that's good rare. 3 packs left. Hope you guys can hear me. It's a new setup, so. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, remember to leave the likes. 10 likes gets the second part up. Super rare Noble Arms Caliburn. Cool. 4 foils out of 9 packs. Make it 5. Oh, no rare. I know hollow, I mean. But yeah, 4 hollows is still really good. So we got a super rare Noble Arms Caliburn, ultra number 53 Hard Earth, ultra rare Lightning Chidori, and an ultimate rare Lightning Chidori. So if you guys are interested in trading or buying any of these cards, let me know. And remember, 10 likes gets the second part up. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks, guys.